All right, guys, so we just pulled into Second Amendment Drive here in Glen Rock, PA, to check out Freedom Armory and their new suppressors. Let's head inside and see what they have to offer. All right, so we're here inside Freedom Armory in Glen Rock, PA. I've got Scott Morris here. He is the owner. Scott, how are you today, man?
Doing great. How about yourself?
I am absolutely excited to be here. So why don't you tell us a little bit about why we're here, what we're looking at today?
We're looking at a couple of suppressors that we've designed and manufactured. One is the 45 caliber Grenadier. The other is the 22 caliber Minuteman. The Minuteman, though, goes from 22 long rifle through the FN57 round. On the Grenadier, you can handle anything 45, 49, 458 SOCOM, and 300 blackout.
458 SOCOM as well, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now, does that have to be subsonic SOCOM?
Yeah, we certified as a subsonic 458 SOCOM.
Okay, that's really cool. That's really exciting. Guys, this is some really high quality stuff, and from a Pennsylvania-based company, you know I'm excited about it. So why don't you tell the viewers at home how you got to this place? You know, you kind of had to make that decision. You know what? We're going into business and we're making cans. How'd you get
This
there?
has been an interesting journey. I've sold silencers for 17 years. And over that 17 years, we've looked at silencers come and go, new designs come and go. And I just made the leap of faith that we could do a better job than what other people had been doing. So our goal, we kind of set out, is to produce a better mousetrap, if you will, in this case, a silencer. So we started from zero 2 years ago, and today we have 3 patent pending features, and we have stellar products that are at the top of the game in the industry.
Yeah, you know, I've had a chance to handle some of them, and they're really, really cool. The 22 is super, super lightweight, breaks down super easy. The Nielsen device on the 45 can, the way that's put together is really interesting. Definitely some outside the box thinking there, and I mean, I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to see how you guys grow and spread with it. I think the only thing we need to do is just go put a couple rounds through them. What do you think?
I think let's go do it.
All right, we'll see you there.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't know what you wanted. So we've got the handy rifle and 300 blackout, the 45 Grenadier, and some 220 OTM Remington ammo. And we have no idea what this is going to sound like. This is the first test. Let's see how she runs. Here we go. And it doesn't. One more time. There it is. Here we go. Getting quieter. I like it. I like it. All right, so now we've got a Ruger American with the Minuteman TI titanium can out there, and in the magazine we've got 3 standard CCI 22s, then subsonic, followed by the CCI quiet, which should be ultra, ultra quiet. So here we go. Round in the chamber, let's see how she sounds. All right. Oh, this is glorious. I mean, you can hear the volume of my voice compared to these shots. This is really quiet, guys. And we're out. Check that out. Really, really quiet. Impressive. All right, we got a Wilson Combat 1911 the 45 Grenadier and some American Eagle 230 grain. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. That, boys and girls, is a quiet suppressor. We are indoors, and that thing is still hearing safe.
So we're down here in the basement with the Minuteman TI can, CCI standard ammo on a GSG 1911. See how she runs. That's damn quiet.
So we got a Nighthawk 1911 chambered in 9mm, and we've got their prototype Grenadier 9. Let's see how she runs. That, boys and girls, is a quiet 9 can. We're inside, there's all kinds of reverb, and this thing is doing really, really well. I can't wait to see what the final version sounds like. We're gonna try shooting this at the cardboard and then at the rubber backstop, and we're gonna see if there's any discernible difference to the ear. Wait, there we go. All right, here we go at the cardboard. Try it one more time. Okay, you can hear that smack downrange. Let's try it into the rubber and see if we can hear anything. Boys and girls, the cardboard is making more noise than the round. You can hear it smacking through that. Now the rubber again. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed our look at the new Freedom Armory suppressors. They had some really, really neat stuff to show us. I can't wait to see where this goes. Another PA-based company bringing out some really, really neat stuff to market. As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it the old thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet. And as always, thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon.